Welcome back to the Lindle channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful feature that takes your link organization to the next level by creating folders. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button below because you won't want to miss the special feature I'll unveil at the end of this video. All right, let's jump into the link organization magic. Open up your Lindle extension and go to the folder section. See that inviting green plus button? Give it a click and a pop-up appears asking for the name of your new folder. Let's name it something memorable. There you go. You've just created your first Lindle folder, but the real magic comes when you start adding links to it. Right-click on any link you want to add to your newly created folder. Select Add to Folder and choose the folder you just created. Lindle discreetly adds the link to the folder without any fuss. Seamless, right? Now let's check our folders. Navigate back to the Folder section in the Lindle extension, and there it is, our folder with the added link. Open the folder by double-clicking to see all the links neatly organized. Lindle, making link management a breeze. All right, link enthusiasts, here's the special feature. You can download a CSV of all the links in a folder. Simply right-click on the folder in the Folder section, select Download CSV, and Lindle will generate a CSV file with all the links neatly organized. How cool is that? And there you have it, folks. Creating folders in Lindle not only keeps your links organized, but also introduces some serious magic into your link management game. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more Lindle wonders, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, happy link organizing.